Hey, what's up you guys? So in this video, I'm going to be doing a full in-depth review of a new product called the KiboCode Quantum. Now this product is a 5-step process to build a profitable business in 2021 with e-commerce. Now guys, if you know me, I do reviews, I do content on how to start affiliate marketing, how to build a 6-figure affiliate marketing business. So this is a review that I usually don't do. It's going to be about e-commerce and drop shipping, right? So it's going to be totally different than you're used to seeing, but I promise you guys, if you watch to the end of this video, it's going to blow your mind, but you're going to also learn e-commerce and affiliate marketing because I have an insane bonus for you guys if you want to check into the KiboCode Quantum. Now guys, if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and on this channel I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing. But guys, I have a ton of videos on how you can make money online, how you can get started building an online business, and of course affiliate marketing. So guys, let's get to this review real quick and let's talk about this KiboCode Quantum, right? Why are we talking about this? What's all the hype about? I want to go into this. Now the product hasn't been released yet, okay? The product will be released here in the next few days, okay? So this is going to be the first review on YouTube before anyone even does a review. What this is, it's just a book explaining the process, and then in 5 days, you're going to have access to a live webinar where they're going to explain this whole 5-step process, okay? So that's kind of how it works. Now, if you do go ahead and purchase this product, which I'm going to explain here in a little bit, I'm going to give you access to $3,000 worth of bonuses as well, okay? So you're going to get best of both worlds. You're going to get a full affiliate marketing program and a full e-commerce program, which is the KiboCode, okay? So let's explain what this is, okay? So I'm just gonna go through and kind of read this out, okay? So it's a cutting-edge 5-step system for building a profitable e-commerce business in 2021. This is crazy here, okay, guys? Check this out. Without needing Amazon or Shopify, okay? Usually you need a Shopify store and Amazon to have a profitable e-commerce business, okay? Now, they claim here using a secret source of free traffic. So let's dive deep, guys. Let's see what they're talking about in this book. Now, if you guys want the full book, I'm not going to go every single page because there's a lot in here. I'm going to leave a link to this book down below in the YouTube description so you guys can have access to this exact same book. But I'm going to touch on the main points here. I'm going to kind of explain everything, okay? So first of all, guys, I'm going to go over here and talk about Steve and Aiden, okay? So these are the guys that actually built the process. They've actually been doing this for a long time, guys. They're not just some people launching a product. They've been doing this for a long time. They're 7-figure earners. They started in affiliate marketing and they've been doing this for, it says here, over 17 years, and they quit their corporate jobs back in 2003, okay? Now they actually got started with affiliate marketing and then they went into e-commerce, okay? Now it's a little different from me. I started in e-commerce and went to affiliate marketing. So it's a best of both worlds, guys. But if I go to their JV page here for the product, you can see if I go down, let me see if I can find it here. They've been launching products since 2015, over $5 million in sales, 9 million 2016, 11 million, 9 million again, 7 million. And then last year, 2020, $18 million in sales. So what I'm saying is these guys have been around for a long time, someone you can trust, and they have some amazing products. And even more important, their students are getting some great results. Okay, that's a little bit about the owners here. Okay, now I'm going to go down here, guys. And like I said, I'm not going to go through line by line, but I want to get through the main touch points here. Okay. Now, these are some of their student results here, okay? These are their e-commerce stores. You can see here, $13,000 here, $56,000 here, $29,000 here. They have some crazy results when it comes to e-commerce. But I want to explain, guys, the actual system itself. So I'm going to go down. I'm going to look for the system. It's going to be right here. So we got Mark Cuban here. Let's step 1. Here we go. Okay. So I'm going to go through the process, okay? The process is very simple, only involves 5 core steps, okay? So the process, step number 1 is you got to set up your store, okay? That's step number 1 here. Step number 2 is identify the winners, right? So if you guys don't know what e-commerce is, you find products that are already selling, and they're going to show you how to do that. Now, they have some proprietary software to help you guys do this. It's their new secret software that they mention, and I'm excited to watch because they're going to come out with their webinar in the next 5 days, okay, guys? Now, you're going to choose your profit path at step number 3. You're going to accelerate your sales. So this is going to be all about optimizing ads, how to get traffic, stuff like that. And then, of course, just rinse and repeat. So let's kind of go through the process here, okay? So step number one is you want to set up your store, right? This is going to be their proprietary process, okay? So it says first, you'd install your super optimized web store, which requires no technical setup knowledge whatsoever. So last year they came out with a different Kibo code, and I remember that all it was literally plug and play into their store, okay? Now, what I know right now is they have a new software that's going to be even easier than last year's software, okay? This is the KiboCode Quantum, okay? Now, basically what it is, it's a plug and play. So you literally push a button here, okay? You have a store in minutes, okay? And that's how easy it is. That's step number one, is you want to create the store. Now, when I started my Shopify store in e-commerce, it took me months because I had no idea. First of all, I didn't know what I was doing. Second of all, you had to actually create the store, the products. They're going to give you a store that's already ready to go, okay? Now, step number two is you want to identify the winners, right? So it says here, next you would identify a course selecting winning products to load in your store. Now, they do the research for you. They actually find the winning products. And guys, this is huge because when I was doing e-commerce, I was having to find products and I didn't know if they were going to be winners. I didn't know if they're going to be losers. And most of the time they're losers, of course, because I didn't know what I was doing when I first got started with e-commerce. So I wish I had this when I started my store. I literally started from nothing. Okay. They're literally going to give you everything you need to get started, right? They're doing the research for you, right? You can see they have a vault of products. And now a question I get all the time is, well, if they're going to give all these products to their students, there's not going to be enough for me, right? They actually go through that in the webinar. They talk about they have millions and millions of products, guys, that are selling. They're already winners, and they're going to give them to you guys, okay? So that's kind of how it works, okay? Step number three is we're going to pick the profit path, okay? So the third step is all about hitting the initial milestone at $1,000 per week and taking advantage of the instant traffic source buyer traffic. Now, last year they talked about a secret untapped traffic source called Google Shopping Ads. Okay, this is something that actually blew my mind last year. And they said there's a new traffic source they're going to be talking about in this new program, in this new webinar. So I'm actually really excited. I've used Google traffic, shopping traffic before. And it's untapped, okay? And that was last year. So I'm curious to see what they do in this next step. But the goal here, guys, is to get you guys making $1,000 per month and start kind of get to that next level. Okay, now step 4 is all about scaling, increasing conversions, getting more sales and profits, right? So it's all about optimization here. And then it says here, all you need to do is copy us, okay? We use 5 methods which are extremely easy to implement, and using them will allow you to boost your profits dramatically, okay? So they already have the system. All you got to do is copy their system, see what they're doing, and you got to implement that into your business, and that's it, okay? And then rinse and repeat, right? The goal for them, and this is of course what I help my students do, let's get to that first $100 a week, then $1,000 a week, then $5,000, then $10,000, right? It's all about starting small and then rinse and repeating, okay? And that's what I do in my affiliate marketing business with my students is I help them with little wins, right? Once you can get that, it builds up this mindset that you can do more and more, right? And then you just make more and more money. It's a snowball effect, right? So that's a simple 5-step process, guys. It says the system is really that simple. Literally just plug and play, and that's it, okay? So 5 huge benefits that sets us apart, okay? I want to explain this because this is going to be really cool, okay? So no traffic issues, okay? As you know, traffic is the lifeblood of any business, and unless you are able to generate traffic, you won't make any money. So they're going to say here, they have a bold claim that you're not going to have any traffic issues at all, which I'm really excited to see what they're doing here with the traffic issues. No supplier headache. So this is huge, right? Especially with the pandemic, the coronavirus. It's going to get really hard to outsource from China, right? So it says here, we don't do that here. We only source products from US suppliers only, okay? So that's huge, guys. Because I dealt with China. I did Amazon FBA. It's a pain in the butt. It really is, because you have to, you have to talk to these people from China. They don't speak the best English. And, it takes, weeks and sometimes months to get your products to your customers. It's just a mess. So they're showing you how to do it profitably, but in US, okay, in the US. So you don't have to deal with China anymore, okay? Number 3, there's low risk compared to other e-commerce models. Like I said, they have their own platform now, so I'm not sure what they're going to be doing because this is a brand new platform they haven't released yet. So when I know, guys, with their new platform, okay? Rapid results and easy to scale. This is what I like here, guys. You can start making money as soon as 48 hours or less. You're able to fill your store with top converting profitable products fast, right? Like I said, they're going to give you the plug and play store to get started, right? And you can do this on the side, right? So like even for me, I have a full-time affiliate marketing business. Now I can do this while, I'm still running my business, but I can still have another stream of income, right? I'm always looking for more streams of income, guys. Yes, affiliate marketing is my thing, right? That's what I teach. That's what I do. But I always want to learn more, right? I'm getting into real estate. I'm getting into Bitcoin, into investing. So this is just another income stream for me, right? So this is really cool for someone like me that is really busy with my business, but I can do this on the side, okay? So anyways, guys, that's everything you need to know. I'll give you guys access to this free book. I'll leave a link down below so you guys can get access to this. And then once you enter your information, you guys will have access to the actual webinar, which starts, I believe, let me double check here, guys. Let me take a look. It said everything. Here we go. So the webinar, here's all the dates here, guys. So the webinar is January 26th. So you guys can actually get on and figure out exactly what that is. Now, my bonus here, guys, this is going to be an insane bonus, okay? Now, I have a full program that is called Freedom Breakthrough, okay? You can look it up. I have hundreds of students in this program. And it's basically my full program on affiliate marketing, okay? Now, with this program, we go extremely deep into Google SEO, okay? Now, I bring on seven-figure earners such as Nathan Lucas. I show you how to build funnels. More importantly, I show you how to get traffic, right? I show you how to do free Facebook traffic. I show you how to do email marketing, literally step by step by step, okay? This is my full program, okay? This is not cheap, guys. This is my program, Freedom Breakthrough. I show you how to do traffic with YouTube, how to get ranked at the top here. As you can see here, I've built my subscriber base to over 19,000 subscribers in a short amount of time, okay? I'm going to show you how to get free traffic with TikTok, okay? Let me show you my TikTok account here. Basically, I've been able to generate a multiple six-figure business just with TikTok. Here you can see over 117,000 followers on TikTok. I'm going to show you exactly how I do that. Of course, we go into paid traffic with Google ads. We talk about paid traffic with TikTok ads, and we go extremely deep, right? We talk about Facebook ads, and more importantly, I have some bonuses within the program here. Okay, so then I have launch jacking. I show you how to do launch jacking, how to promote products that haven't even started yet. Okay, and then I have other affiliate. I have other bonuses within the bonuses. I have people come in seven-figure earners such as Alex Branning teaching you how to get an affiliate offer. Like I said, I have launch jacking in there. I have a six-figure affiliate marketer that has done six figures just with free traffic, and that's Joshua Ong. You're gonna get access to this. You're gonna get access to all the 5 super affiliates: Nathan Lucas, Alex Branning, Joshua Ong, and Paul Motley. Okay, this is my program here, guys. I'm gonna give you this 100% free when you purchase the Kibo code. Now, I don't have this page set up yet, but if you guys want, enter or let me know down below in the YouTube description that you want the bonus. I'm going to set up the page and get you guys all the information. I'll be coming out with more videos on how this works. Okay, guys, so that's going to be the bonus if you buy the Kibo code through me. Now, again, let me find my link here, guys. I don't think I have it right now, but I'm going to leave a link down below, guys, so you guys could get access to this. And of course, when you purchase, I'm going to send you access to my full program, Freedom Breakthrough. Let me just show you guys right here. There's a ton of reviews already on it with my own program here. You can see all these reviews are on Freedom Breakthrough. So why am I doing this? Because, guys, you're going to have access to everything, right? Not only to the KiboCode Quantum, which is an e-commerce, but you'll have also access to me in my affiliate marketing business. Now, I don't like to give out my course 100% free, right? I mean, this is my main program. This is my baby, right? So that's because I believe in this product. I know it can help you. And it also gives you more options, right? You can have an e-commerce business, but you can also have an affiliate marketing business as well, which has helped me leave my 9-to-5 job as an engineer. So anyways, guys, more info to come on the bonuses. I'm going to be adding more bonuses to this product. Really, really excited. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I'm going to leave a link so you guys can get this book down below, and I'll give you guys, I'll be coming out with another video on how you can access the bonus. We'll see you guys in the next one, and God bless.